So this is Sweets Knoll. I downloaded the All Trails app, and this is one of the most beautiful places I've been. There's a real Native American vibe to it. Everything looks really untouched, and the train tracks at the end, really make you think about what was going on 100 years ago. But the entrance to this is small. It's right off 138, and I was surprised at how far it went back. But it's a beautiful, beautiful property. Beautiful park. That's about it. This is one of those trails that it's nice to have boots so you can just stomp around the mud, because it does get a little muddy halfway through. I'll be honest, I tried to cross this thing. I made it about halfway, and I got stuck. Because now, while you won't fall through, you can definitely trip and fall. Because the tracks have deteriorated, and you should definitely not cross this. And it was pretty dumb of me to do that. But, you know, it is what it is. So.